Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Nokia G11 smartphone, and in this video we are going to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, we want to somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The easiest way to do that, also the swiftest, is to swipe down from the top part of your display in order for the notification and control panel to appear. Next, locate the Wi-Fi shortcut that looks just like so. Tap and hold at the shortcut. Here at the Wi-Fi settings page, choose what network you would like to share the password of. In my case, I'll go with this HardReset.Info 5G Wi-Fi network. Tap on it. At the network details page, tap on the share icon. And as you can see now, right below this QR code, we have the actual Wi-Fi password that is linked to this network. So from here you have two ways of actually connecting to it, either by manually finding it on your second device and manually entering the password that is shown right here, or you can go ahead and scan this QR code. Therefore your smartphone will be automatically connected to this network. So just for an example, I'll use another Nokia Android smartphone in order to scan this QR code and automatically connect my device to the Wi-Fi. So I'll open up the Google Lens of the camera of this device, so I'll be able to read this QR code. I'll frame it, wait for the Google Lens to recognize it, then tap on it. And once this Join Network button appears, I'll click on this button, and as you will see now, our second Nokia device will be successfully connected to the HardReset.Info 5G network. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.